Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. Today is 16th of July 2026 and it's Wednesday. It's Thursday, okay. So it's Thursday and I didn't even notice the week is almost over. So I'm going to do the trade review of the Wednesday, 15th of July, which was the course PPI day, and let's get into the day. So I did do a trade. So let's first look at the news. Okay. Okay, I think I did one mistake. Okay. Uh-huh. Wait a minute. Fiftieth, 15th of July. Yes, this is the 15th of July. Let's go. Okay. Okay, so this was the day. So the news was core PPI day, most important one, and there was this Fed chairman testifies, which was at 10 a.m. news. Okay, I did take a trade. Let's start from the daily chart. This is the 15-minute chart. Let's start from the weekly. Okay, I'm going to do a very quick review because I have to get ready at maximum 4 p.m. I have to start getting ready. Okay, so weekly chart this week, 2 weeks I highlighted, and this weekly do I. That's the reason why I didn't remove it. Haven't removed it yet is because I want to. It can use as a support, and I want to see how it price use this. Okay, so this is for information as well, for knowledge as well. Going to talk about this candle, which is the Wednesday. I highlighted this low, this discount wick and this premium wick, and highlighted low and high. Okay, so we went higher. We want to touch the. So yeah, this was the view. Yeah, this is the Wednesday. Okay, we went higher, didn't take the higher high, it's higher high, went lower, didn't take the low, touched, went lower, and then went higher, took the high, these two relative equal highs, expected it, and what I wanted to see at that time was only one thing. The most important thing was I want it to try if we are going to go lower, because we were making relative equal lows. This was the sell side which was not taken, and then we went higher, take these two relative equal highs plus respected the low quarter of our daily premium wick, went lower, and this was what I wanted to see, which was price respecting the low quarter of a weekly wick, and as well as this upper quarter. But the most important thing was this low quarter respected to our downside. I want to see this. Okay, and Let's get into the trade. Now, what happened to my internet? Come on, I don't have much time. So, besides trading, I'm still adjusting. I'm not still getting into the routine, making a to-do list. It's helping me a lot. It always did. It's a 1 minute chart. Should we start from the 1 minute? Say 5 minute. So basically, I want to trade after the news. This was the only thing I said that I will look for opportunity after the trade, after the news. So 8:30 news went higher, took the liquidity to the left side, start consolidating, and what I want to see was price breaking to a downside if I want to go lower and use this low cut to a downside. Okay, and after the news of last news, which was at 10:45, we went higher, went into the 5 minute first representative value gap break, and then went low. I didn't take the trade here because I want to see a break in market structure, which was happening at that time, but when the candle closed, it closed above, which made me waited that I should wait and look for a cleaner break in market structure. Okay, and that's what we did. We went high into the 15 minute first representative fair value gap, didn't touch the upper quarter and break to a downside. Okay, so the first one was this opportunity can be this was a break plus the low quarter. The second was this, it was more safer, and I took this. So 1 minute first representative fair value was at the same area of 5 minute first representative fair value gap. So what I used was the 15 minute first representative fair value gap plus the low quarter plus the 15 minute break plus the 1 minute. Okay, went lower. No, let me make it decide to see the candles clearly. Let's go the candles break. No entry here. I want to see a propulsion block after it, and this was the first propulsion block breaking market structure. I entered here. Okay, entered here, and we went lower. Take the very recent sell side, but my TP was a bit lower. I set it on the 2RR, and you can see we reversed, and the stop loss was obviously at the break even because we took the sell side, this one and then this one. So it was logical to set the stop loss to the second logical area, and that's what I did, and it resulted in some profit, which was almost around break even. We went higher, took the this, and after that I was not looking for much because we went higher very in a very low resistance liquidity run, and it was already late, but it was 10:45 news, so which means I can look for a trade in the PM session. Okay, so I was looking at the charts. I highlighted these two gaps and was planning was planning to take a trade if we reverse to a downside and we use this to a downside. So what happened was we went down. I want to see a clean more, not cleaner, but uh how can I explain? This kind of a break where price spend a bit time and then break to a downside. But we would not do that, and even I was planning to take a trade here, but you can see it didn't spend much time, and when we went lower here, that's where I didn't want to trade, didn't want to take the trade, and my entry was here. Okay, and this was where it went to the 15-minute first phase and fair value gap. I didn't want to take a trade on retracement, so I removed the entry, and we went higher, touched the entry point, and then expand to a downside 2 RR, and then again we if even I were in the trade, maybe your chances that again this could be not a TP trade, but a low profit or a maximum break-even trade. So this was a day. Let me show you the execution. So this was a trade I took. This was a yesterday, not yesterday, but the previous trade, which was taken the last week, I think, almost after 8 days. Second trade was this, and you can see the date, and it resulted in $12.54. And yes, so this was the day. Yeah, obviously I wanted to see a TP, and the weight went down, was in profit with the sell and then it's not a good feeling to have, but yeah, it is what it is. It's not the first time it happened, so we're going to move on. We're going to look at the next day, and I'm not now going to going to a pre-session analysis. So I'm going to close this video, and the next video, inshallah ta'ala. Allah Hafiz, and before Allah Hafiz, before saying bye, say inshallah ta'ala I will be a profitable trader, and this trading will make me quit my job, and this trading inshallah ta'ala will be the source of changing things for me and my family. Yeah, inshallah ta'ala, with the help of Allah, with the help of Muhammad, inshallah ta'ala, things will be better, and I'm grateful. And in the next video, Allah Hafiz.